Hey, awesome learners! Do you love cartoons? Of course you do. We all do. From SpongeBob to Paw Patrol, from Toy Story to Minions. Cartoons are everywhere. But have you ever wondered, how are cartoons made? And now, here's the coolest part. Can artificial intelligence make cartoons all by itself? Let's dive into the magical world of AI and animation. 1. What is animation? Animation means creating moving pictures from still images. Like when you flip pages of a drawing book quickly. The drawing seems to move. That's how old-school cartoons worked. Now studios use computers to make animations. And guess what? AI is becoming a new artist in the world of cartoons. 2. How AI helps in animation. AI can help in many fun ways. Drawing characters. AI can create brand new cartoon characters just by describing them in words, like, draw a flying cat with sunglasses. And poof, it appears. Animating movement, AI learns how real people or animals move and makes cartoon characters move the same way. Lip syncing. When a cartoon talks, its lips move perfectly with the sound. AI does that with amazing accuracy. Adding sounds and music. AI can match background music and effects with scenes, like boom in action or laugh in funny moments. 3. AI animation tools. Real ones. Some companies already use amazing AI tools. Runway ML helps artists make video clips from text prompts. Pika Labs lets you type a story and see it come to life as animation. Fliki adds AI voices to animated characters. Meta AI is testing cartoon video creation with just a few ideas. Kids and creators can now make cartoons at home with AI tools, even without drawing skills. 4. Making your own AI cartoon. Let's imagine you write a story about a space dog. You tell AI, make a rocket, a planet, and a funny dog who talks. AI draws the dog, makes it move, adds voice, music, and boom! You have your own cartoon short. That's the power of AI. It turns ideas into animations, just like magic. 5. But what about creativity? Now some people ask, if AI makes everything, what about our creativity? Great question. The best cartoons come when humans and AI work together. You imagine. And AI helps make it real. So you are the real star. AI is just your helper. So, can AI make cartoons? Yes. And it's learning more every day. But your ideas, your stories, and your funny characters are what make cartoons truly magical. With AI, anyone, even you, can be a cartoon creator.